Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're going to show you how to join artificial grass seamlessly in just 6 easy steps. This guide will ensure your lawn looks flawless and natural. Let's get started. Tools and materials you need. Alright, first things first, here's what you'll need: artificial grass, utility knife, shovel, rake, measuring tape, sand or gravel, a broom or brush, joining tape and adhesive. Got all that? Great, let's get started. Step-by-step guide to install artificial grass. Step 1. Prepare the area. Start by clearing out any old grass, weeds, or debris. Use your shovel to dig down about 2 to 3 inches. This will make space for our base layer. Step 2. Add the base layer. Spread a layer of sand or gravel evenly over the area. This helps with drainage and keeps the grass in place. Use your rake to level it out nicely and smoothly. Step 3. Compact the base layer. Use a garden roller or even a piece of wood to press down the sand or gravel. Make sure it's firm and even. Step 4. Cut the grass to fit. Roll out your grass and measure the area you need to cover. Then, use a utility knife to cut the grass to the right size. Cut from the back side for a cleaner edge. Step 5. Lay out the grass pieces. Place the grass pieces next to each other, ensuring the pile direction is the same. This will help the seams blend seamlessly. Step 6. Apply the joining tape. If you have more than one piece of grass, use joining tape and adhesive to connect them. Lay the tape along the seam, apply the adhesive, and press the edges of the grass down firmly. Step 7. Join and secure the grass. Use landscape pins or garden staples to pin down the edges of the grass. Place them about 6 inches apart to keep everything secure. Step 8. Brush the grass. Use a broom or brush to fluff up the grass and make it look natural. Brush against the grain to lift the fibers. And there you have it, a perfectly joined artificial grass lawn. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips from Fixing Expert. Until next time, happy fixing.